G'day. Have you ever noticed on YouTube how people who are really successful are the people who appear on camera? So if you're a little bit nervous about appearing on camera, I hope that you'll make a bit of an effort to try and overcome your fear and start appearing on your videos. And I'm going to show you a way today that you can appear on the video no matter what it is that you're filming. If you're a droner and you upload drone footage, if it's a gaming channel, whether you're doing time-lapse footage, whether you're filming a day out at the beach, if you can appear on the video talking to camera at the same time, then you can definitely appear a lot more professional and hopefully draw a few more subscribers to yourself. I'm going to use the green screen application and show you a little more complex way of making it even better today. So stick with me and we'll have a look. Okay, so we're going to use the free video editor that I've mentioned in a couple of previous videos, VSDC, and the link will be down in the description if you care to download it. And I'll show you how I'm using this video to turn my green screen into something a little more complex. In other words, I'm standing a bit further back, I'm using my green screen, I'm going to crop off the edges that are appearing in the video, and I'm going to shrink myself down so that I appear in the corner of the footage that I make. So we're back on VSDC. You might remember that from one of my previous videos, but have a look at the footage that I'm about to try and green screen out. You can see that I've only actually got a green screen around my head, so I need to get rid of this bit too, and you may well find that if you try green screen that you've got the same problem. So I'm going to show you how to actually get rid of that. Firstly, we'll just get rid of the green screen, the actual green itself. So making sure that I'm clicked on the footage I want to get rid of. Then I'm going to right click on my mouse, go to video effects, go down to transparency, down to background remover, click that, and I want to work from the cursor position, or I want to work the whole parent duration, to the whole thing in other words, and I am going to hit OK. Now that's gone. In my case I was just lucky, but remember, if you need to green screen it out, you first select this drop up here, you click on the green and it will take out most of it. Then you adjust these three actual readings here by clicking on each of them, and until the green's basically gone, and you can see the green's gone in my case. So what I need to do now is get rid of all this other stuff around the outside. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to go back here, I'm going to click on this bit that I'm working on, which is this one here. Now I'm going to double click it, which brings me over to the this part here where I've already got the background remover effect in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this icon, add free shape. Click on it. I want to do it from the beginning, or the whole parent duration should I say. So I'm going to add that in there. Now I have to draw around the bit that I want to keep. So in this case I'm drawing around that. So there you go, you can see I've basically got myself totally covered. And what I need to do is I need to change this to black if this is all going to work. So go down here to the fill color, click on it, click on the three dots, select black and OK. And the other thing I need to do is I actually should have put that out to the whole size of the parent, in other words right out to the edges. So I click this set the same size as the parent has, click on that one. Okay, so now what I need to do is, this is actually giving me a mask, you'd call it, but it's masking out the whole thing. What I need to do is I actually want to remove the four corner dots here so that I can actually draw a free shape in instead. So to do that, I actually now click over here to this next tab that's appeared, free shape, click on it. Now I'm going to select, should I say, all four of those points that I mentioned earlier, and I'm going to delete them off so there's actually nothing there. Delete. Alright, so now I've still got the free shape here, but it's got no dots on it. So what I need to do is I go up here to free shape at the top here where my mouse is. Then over here where it says insert point, I now click on the little drop down arrow in the corner and put start new shape. Once I've clicked on it, I can now draw around the shape that I want to keep, which in this case is me. So I'm going to give myself a bit of leeway. I'm going to start out here somewhere, then I'm going to go up to here, and as you see, each time I click, it's changing the shape. I'm going to make sure I go fairly close to the edge up here, down to this one. I might go down a bit further, go across to here, and all the way down the bottom. So now what I need to do is I need to invert that. What I'll do there is I actually go back over here to my free shape. I then click on the drop down here beside the blend button, and up the top here where it says invert mask. Okay, so now if I go back over to my scene, there you go, and if I click the preview button, you can see that the video, there's me talking, but there's nothing behind me at all. So hopefully that will help you to remove any additional parts that are around the outside of your screen. Now to finish off, I'm going to import a background that I want to put behind myself. I'm going to import that one. And I want it from the beginning. Okay, and there it is. Now I need it to be behind me, so I'm going to now go to order, by right clicking on the mouse, go up here to order. I want it to go up one layer. Oops, sorry, I know this is reverse and this bit always gets me. I need it to go one layer down. There we go. Now you can see I'm standing with footage behind me. So what I was talking about in regards to you being in the corner of the frame rather than just right in the middle is we'll have to click the size option. So all I need to do there is go up to the top corner here. I'm going to hold down the shift key because I don't want the proportions to change, and I'm going to drag, whoops, I've grabbed the wrong one, so I'll just undo that. That's definitely a trap for young players. Make sure you grab the right piece of footage, so I'll just undo to put that back where it came from. Now I want to make sure I'm clicked on the green screen, that's this part here. So now if I go and grab that corner, and I'm holding down the shift key while I do it, and you can put yourself down right in the corner of your video and look way more professional. Whoops, that's gone way too far. Let's put that back up to a size that's acceptable. We'll move that up to maybe there somewhere. So that now if I hit the preview, you can see that I'm right there in the middle. So there you go. I mean, right there in the Thanks very much side. for watching. And,
So there you go,
it makes you little, you don't feel quite so exposed, but you can still be seen, still here, and have no background, no green screen showing, no edges.
Thanks for watching Mark's videos. My name is Herman Jeursen. I'm from the Netherlands and I make videos about flying with the Phantom and this little one. And I'm a subscriber of Mark's. Thanks for being here. If you haven't subscribed to him, please do so. Thanks for watching. The link to my channel is down in the description below.